In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Notebooklm. Let's walk through this together step by step so you feel completely comfortable using it by the end of this video. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. This can be any modern browser, like Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. In the address bar at the top of the screen, type in notebooklm.google.com and press Enter. Make sure you're typing this into the address bar, not a search box, so you go directly to the correct site. Once the page loads, you may be prompted to sign in with your Google account. If you're already signed in to a Google service in that browser, Notebooklm might recognize you automatically and skip this step. If not, you'll see a sign-in screen. Here, choose the Google account you want to use, or add a new one if it's not listed. Enter your email and password as you normally would, and complete any extra verification steps if they appear, such as two-step verification. Using a Google account is important because it lets Notebooklm save your work and sync it across devices. After you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main Notebooklm interface. This is your hub for creating and managing notebooks. Take a moment to glance around the page so it feels familiar. You'll typically see a clean layout with options for your existing notebooks, if you have any, and a clear button to start something new. To create your first notebook, look for the button labeled New Notebook. It's usually prominently displayed on the home screen. Click on New Notebook. When you do this, Notebooklm will create a fresh, empty notebook for you to start working in. At this point, you've successfully accessed Notebooklm and created a new notebook. From here, you can begin adding content, organizing your ideas, or exploring the different tools that Notebooklm offers. The main thing to remember is that whenever you want to come back, you just revisit notebooklm.google.com, sign in with the same Google account, and open or create a notebook. That's all there is to accessing Notebooklm and starting your first notebook.